Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all to your own channel. Friends, under our technical analysis tutorial series, Zero to Hero, this is the episode number 30 in English version. Those who are interested to look into the tutorials and watch them to learn all about technical analysis can refer to our playlist in Hindi section Zero to Hero Hindi, where all those tutorials are available in Hindi version as well. तो हिंदी के लिए दोस्तों हिंदी की प्लेलिस्ट देखें जीरो टू हीरो में, और दोस्तों आप सीख सकते हैं हिंदी में. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन Zero to Hero 30 we will be discussing very important topic which are very frequently used in order to perform the technical analysis and find the confluences. Although this particular studies may not be very fruitful and useful on a standalone basis, but when we combine with other technical studies, yields very phenomenal results. So we'll be talking about today Fibonacci sequences, and this is the part 1 of Fibonacci sequence series, which is also known as divine numbers, because these numbers can be well correlated what we see in and around us in the nature, in the universe. So friends, these are the magical numbers, and we will be learning all about these mathematical numbers which are frequently applied in various ways in technical analysis. So friends, if you're watching this video, have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. And if you want to become the members of this particular channel, then you can click on the link given below this video to know all about various membership programs that we run to take the technical analysis on a new dimension. So friends, let us move ahead and start Fibonacci sequence and understand as to how these are divine numbers and how these are calculated. So friends, biggest question comes to the minds of various students that why do we learn mathematics? If you ask the young children why they are learning mathematics, you will have a varied kind of answers from them. One would be probably they will say they want to become an engineer. So it is a basic requirement to learn mathematics to become an engineer. Somebody will say because my parents wanted me to be in science stream, so I have taken mathematics in the class. But rarely you will find a reason to that the kids will be telling you that the reason they want to learn something which mathematics can help them to be creative. Very rarely. Number one, they are well influenced by their parents, their peers, their class teachers, and secondly, their minds are not that matured to analyze these very aspects as to why they are learning mathematics. And hardly in our schools we tell them why we are learning mathematics. The majority of the time we focus to achieve good marks in maths so that we qualify for various examination or admissions in higher studies. So broadly there are three reasons, and please pay attention. I am going to share with you broadly. The moment I share with you, you will realize yes, these are the reasons we have learned mathematics, which is helping me in day-to-day life. And three broader reasons are that we want to learn calculations. For example, I have gone to the market to buy vegetables, and I have bought a vegetables of worth 70 rupees and I have paid to the vendor 100 rupees. So I must know that 100 minus 70 calculates to 30. Then only I'll correctly take back the money. And in the same way, the person who is selling the vegetable must understand these basic calculations. Sorry. So one of the broad reasons is that we learn mathematics to understand the basic calculations. The second reason is the application of mathematics. As rightly said, we want to become an engineer, and the mathematical calculations play a very significant role in various engineering disciplines. Like you design a structure, there is an application of mathematics. You design an automobile, there is an application of mathematics. So various scientists apply the calculations of mathematics. So this is an applied science where we use the mathematics to apply the knowledge of mathematics in various studies like engineering or to be a scientist. And third very important reason is inspiration. Inspiration to be creative. All art forms in the world have got certain mathematical numbers when they look good. Because we are inspired to be creative. Once we have analytical minds, it is because of mathematics that makes us analytical, and it becomes a source of inspiration. So broadly, we know mathematics as a science of patterns. We draw triangular pattern, we draw rectangular pattern, or we draw a spiral, we draw any kind of pattern. It is a mathematics that is involved there. In this tutorial series, we have learned various kind of triangular patterns, rising wedges, falling wedges. These are all the results of mathematics. Ultimately, what we are doing on the price chart, we are joining the various data which is emerging out of the trading actions in actual market conditions. And then we are analyzing those data by drawing various kind of patterns on the price chart. So it is a science of patterns which helps us to analyze various aspects. And we see so many things in and around us in our nature, which is well in confirmation with the mathematical calculations. So mathematics in many ways helps us to think logically, critically, and creatively. And that is the reason we learn mathematics in our school days and in our college days, which helps us in many ways. Besides only application aspects, if you have become an engineer, you know the application aspects or various technology is nothing but the application of the science. So friends, today our focus is on mathematical numbers called Fibonacci sequence, or sometimes referred as Fibonacci series as well. So friends, very often schools don't teach maths with nature around us. And many of these schools, they don't cover even Fibonacci sequence or series, which is so important in terms of various kind of analysis of the nature. And we as a human being is also a result of this nature only. Our emotions are nothing but a kind of energy which affects so many other aspects in our life. And so is when we trade into the financial market, whether you are trading in a stock market, commodity market, or currency market, buying and selling actions is the result of your own emotions. The sum total of the emotions of various traders or market participants results into the formation of various kind of patterns on the price chart. And hence friends, it's very important to understand that since we are also a part of nature, we are greatly influenced by nature. And hence it is very important when we learn the mathematical calculation, we should be in a position to correlate with the nature around us. But hardly, if you have come across, how many people have even touched the topic like Fibonacci numbers or sequence in their school days? If you have come across it, you are lucky. And those who have studied Fibonacci numbers and sequence in their school days or even in their college days, please do write in the comment section. So friends, it's very important to understand as to how these mathematical numbers are so critical, so important. They work so beautifully in the nature in and around us. And hence today we'll be learning, we will look at the Fibonacci series, their mathematical numbers with the nature around us, as to how a person, some people are good looking people, some people are not that good looking people, and in terms, I'm not talking about good looking people, the person maybe from the structure of his face may not be good looking, he may be a great person. What I'm trying to say, these are the Fibonacci numbers and their ratios play a significant part in making some of the paintings looks very good. Why? Because they conform to various natural aspects of it, which is governed by Fibonacci numbers. So we will look into detail all about Fibonacci numbers and how we can derive various Fibonacci derivatives, which really are very important, not only in terms of trading into the financial market, but in our we see the plants, flowers in and around us, they are also governed by Fibonacci. So friends, before we move to understand the Fibonacci sequence, it is important to understand the history behind it. Although today we know these sequences as Fibonacci numbers, but the history dates back to BC. And it's very important to understand, because majority of the people have not learned and have not heard about Fibonacci in their school days when they learned mathematics. So friend, first let me emphasize you that the knowledge of Fibonacci sequence was first expressed by Acharya Pingal in 200 BC. So its origin is from India. And it's very important to understand the Bharat Muni also expressed knowledge of the sequence in Natya Shastra when 100 BC. So these numbers were known to Indians much before it was introduced to the Western world. And that is the hard reality. And then finally, friends, in 1202 AD, much later, Leonardo Fibonacci introduced these sequences to the Western world, and now today we know as Fibonacci numbers. And all the tools that we use for technical analysis on the price chart are after the name of Fibonacci, known as Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci expansion, Fibonacci time calculations. All those aspects are governed by the name Mr. Fibonacci, Leonardo Fibonacci, who introduced it to the Western world. Although this sequence were well known, they are well scripted in India much before it was introduced to the Western world in 200 BC. So friends, what are Fibonacci numbers? What we are talking about as divine numbers. So Fibonacci numbers are simple mathematical calculations. It's not at all complicated. Let me emphasize, it's a simple mathematical calculations where the two numbers are the base numbers, the primary numbers, and those are 0 and 1, and rest other calculations are done by using these two base numbers 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 is the beginning of Fibonacci sequence, which is known as divine numbers. So primarily, if you understand that 0 and 1 are the most important numbers, because the beginning of sequence is from 0 and 1. So let me try to explain you in a simple fashion. So these are the Fibonacci series: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. But how these have been calculated? When I have said and given an emphasis that 0 and 1 are the base numbers and rest all other numbers in the sequence or series are calculated beginning with 0 and 1. So the calculations are very simple. When you add 0 plus 1, it will give you 1. So that becomes the next number of the series. So when we add 1 plus 1, you get 2. When you add 2 plus 1, you get 3. When you add 3 plus 2, you get 5. When you add 5 plus 3, you get 8. When you add 8 plus 5, you get 13. You add 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. So these numbers can be written. And whenever explaining, you must have understood that these are very simple calculations. When we add two consecutive number of the series, you get next sequence in Fibonacci. So friend, if we have a simple calculations, now here we have plotted and written up to 34. So if we add 34 plus 21, two consecutive number, 34 plus 21, you get 55. When you add 55 and 34, 55 and 34, now these are the two consecutive numbers, you get 89. Similarly, when you add 89 plus 55, you get 144, and similarly when you add 144 plus 89, you get 233. So friends, you might have seen various technical analysis that we perform in this channel, either on stocks or indices or commodities or currency pairs. You might have seen we use the moving averages. EMA 21. 21 is the Fibonacci numbers. EMA 55. 55 is also Fibonacci series. SMA 89. 89 is Fibonacci series. SMA 144 Fibonacci series. SMA 233 Fibonacci series. So I have personally experienced that these moving averages which conform to the Fibonacci series works quite well as support and resistances, and they help us to analyze the market much better. So friends, 233 plus 144, 377. This is how this sequence can be written by adding two consecutive number. It is that simple mathematical calculations. There is hardly any complicated calculation involved when we use Fibonacci sequence, even in retracement or in expansion tool. They are either using plus minus or multiplication or division. Nothing more than that. So friends, now we understand what are the Fibonacci series, sequence or numbers that we have just now learned as to how we can arrive at the Fibonacci numbers by adding two consecutive numbers starting from 0, 1. Now if we make the squares of these numbers, now we are coming to the point why these numbers are called divine numbers. Because they match to the various kind of formations in and around us in the nature. As we move ahead in the tutorial series, we will learn more about in subsequent parts. But today I am going to explain you a very simple phenomenon as to how if we pick up any Fibonacci number and start drawing these squares using these numbers. For example, if 2 is a Fibonacci sequence, if we draw the square 2 by 2 and then start connecting the corners of these squares to their opposite corners, what we get? We get a spiral. Let me explain you through pictorial diagram. You see, this is Fibonacci series 1, then you have written 2, then square of 3, then square of 5, then square of 8, square of 13, square of 21, square of 34. So these are all Fibonacci. These are all numbers from Fibonacci sequence. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. And now if we just join the squares one corner to another corner, for example, you get a spiral. I will explain you. This corner in a larger square, this corner has been joined to this corner has been joined to the opposite corner, this corner has been joined to the opposite corner, and they fit so beautifully, squares fit together so beautifully that it forms a spiral kind of shape. You might have come across many plants, many leaves of the plants, flowers looking like a spiral, like sunflower. We'll take a beautiful example today about sunflower, how beautiful it looks when you see its seeds. It's so beautifully arranged, which means that there is an energy in the universe that is making every sunflower so beautiful. Because each seeds, each cell of the sunflower, unless they turn in a particular sequence, you will not see such a beauty. So let us go and further understand on this magic number and divine numbers. So nature is so powerful. Why it is powerful? Because it is divine. Everything is happening in a perfect order. Rivers are flowing. Forget about universe. Universe is a too big a thing. If we just see the earth around us, it is revolving in a particular order, and that is why we see day and nights in a perfect order. It is revolving in two motions, one around its axis and one it is taking a round around the sun. So sometimes the days are bigger, sometimes but we see the cyclic phenomenon where we have various kind of climatic conditions we come across in our life, year on year. So nature is very powerful, means some energy which is working, and once we understand this power of nature and energy, we understand the power of human emotions which are resulting the formation of price chart due to their actions of buying and selling. What we call it in many a times, emotion driven demand and supply guiding the price. So friends, let us understand this. This is the picture of a sunflower, which is a creation of this beautiful nature and a beautiful creation of beautiful nature. So plants can grow new cells, we all know, and they can grow in spirals such as the pattern of seeds in this particular sunflower. The spiral will happen naturally. Nobody is making it. It is happening naturally because each new cell is formed after a particular cyclic turn. And that turn is, in conformation with Fibonacci. That is very important to understand. I am trying to emphasize why technical analysis works, because it is also chart is getting created because of the natural energy which is flowing within the traders, which are human beings, and a result of this nature. So new cell gets formed, they turn in a particular direction, then another cell comes, they turn in a particular direction, and this is how beautifully. So we must know, for example, if we are plants, do we know at what direction we should turn? We do not know. We all know that whatever we eat converts into our body. Whether we eat rice, whether we eat wheat, whether we eat apple, it ultimately converts into our body. So our body mechanism is working automatically due to the forces of nature, due to the forces of nature or energy which is there inside us. So we are also made of various cells. So it is very, very important to understand. Now I will show you with a small software as to how Fibonacci numbers are so important, which creates the beautiful creation like sunflower. So friends, before I go to a small software which I have sourced from the resources from internet, I would like to tell you about a simple calculations which is very, very important and frequently used in technical analysis of financial market. And we have learned just now, these are the Fibonacci sequence or series or numbers, whatever you call it. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So by adding two consecutive numbers gives you another number, a number ahead. Now if we divide 34 to 55, or we divide 21 to 34, or we divide 13 to 21, we will always get the same number. The ratio of would be the same. Means what we are doing? We are using back-to-back numbers in the sequence to divide. I'll show you the example. If you divide 34 by 55, will calculate to 0.618. 34 divided by 55. And similarly, when you divide 21 to 34, it will also give 0.618. And if you divide 13 to 21, the ratio would be 0.619. And that is why, friend, you might have seen the various technical analysis that we perform on price chart. We talk about this ratio. 61.8% retracement level becomes very, very important and significant whenever market will correct and will have a healthy correction. It normally retraces to 61.8%, which Mr. Charles Dow, when he was writing articles in Wall Street Journal, has referred to the market corrects to 33% to 36%. Why he said it 33%? We also use 38.2% retracement level, which is nothing but the derivative of golden ratio, and 61.8% is a golden ratio. In our subsequent parts in Fibonacci sequence, we will learn how these ratios are calculated and so significant in when we apply in the analysis. So let us straight away move to understand on mini software, because this calculation was essentially needed to make you understand what is golden ratio. So friends, this is the mini programmed software kind of thing which I have sourced from mathsisfun.com. You can see here it is written. So what I am trying to see, when we are talking about the say natural formation in sunflower, we see a beautiful formation which is guided by the nature. So that means each cell is rotating in a particular ratio, which is very so rotation is well known. If the rotation is not uniform, we will not have a beautiful shape like sunflower. So for example, if rotation each time is only 1, what we get? We get a kind of a straight line. If we just calculate and put it random number, say if rotation is 0.9, I am going, it will make something like this. The moment we put the rotation like 0.618, which is a golden ratio, and then we go, you can see the beautiful formation which is coming here in the shape of a spiral. Or either you put it, what we have seen, you might have seen many example on price chart. When we perform technical analysis, we use the Fibonacci expansion tool, and there we use very frequently to arrive at the target is 1.618, which is an expansion, which is nothing but the derivative of the golden ratio on a higher side. So when we put this and draw, and we see the similar kind of formation which is coming, and that is why these Fibonacci sequence is also known as divine numbers. So friends, if you have liked the presentation under 0 to 0 series, please give a lot of thumbs up. It motivates me. And please do not forget to share among your friend circle, social base, WhatsApp group, so that other people also get benefit in learning technical analysis, and in the process they become part of your family and our family by subscribing this channel. And friends, if you are watching this channel and not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you are notified well on time for upcoming uploads. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you in subsequent parts of magic numbers, divine numbers, Fibonacci series under 0 to 0 tutorial series.